May Tay Show.
Woo! I'm May.
And I'm Tay.
And this is the May Tay Show. Woo! Okay,
we're at church.
We're at church. We're at Yay Project.
You see a cross.
Yes.
Pick it up. Go get a Bible. There's a Bible there.
Okay, and we're right there. Cross. This is the Methodist cross. Okay. We are
at Yay Project.
We're painting houses all day.
You see paint.
So cold. I know there's paint everywhere. It's all over my hair, all over my face. There's paint wars. There's paint wars.
And there's someone like on
yeah, there's like
right here.
There's a handprint on my butt right here. Okay.
But it's really cool.
Yeah, and
we're getting on ladders.
Yeah, ladders. Okay, the ladders are always shaky, and then Dustin has like a freako attack because there's wasps. Okay, so we were up on like the very top part of the house, and we were like painting it, and he was like, there was a wasp up there or something, and he was like, oh my god, there's a wasp, and then staring at me. He busted out laughing, and shaking the ladder, and we're on the very top part of the ladder.
He's shaking his little finger.
Yes, he's shaking his little finger at me. And then he was like taking his fingers, like swatting it. I was like, Dustin, you're gonna make it angry. And then
he was already mad at you.
Yeah, and then so he was like painting the telephone wires and stuff.
And he can't say lint roller.
He said lint roller. So, okay, yeah,
everyone that's watching this, say lint roller and see if you sound normal. We say lint roller
or like
lint roller.
This is where we're sleeping.
Yeah, we're sleeping.
Taylor, look, Edward pillow.
He's so sexy.
It feels crunchy right
now. I know,
here.
because it's new. I've never washed this. That's so
you need to wash it first. It's gonna have like Walmart cooties on it.
I didn't buy it at Walmart. I bought it at Suncoast.
In the mall.
Where the Hello Kitty thing you went.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, well,
alright.
We gotta get back to Celtic Paul.
We're eating lunch.
Brushing our hair, so we can't.